Hello, my name is Chris Muck, Product Manager at Blum US, and today we're going to talk about installing Tandem plus BLUMOTION in a face frame application using a rear bracket. There are several ways to install screw-on brackets in a face frame application, but today we're going to concentrate on two basic ways. We're going to assume that the cabinet is already assembled and that CNC machining is not an option. The hole locations for this screw-on bracket are dimensioned off of the frame itself, or rather, where the tandem runner will sit once it's installed. It'll look something like this, and we'll secure the bracket in the back using 2 screws, and the runner in the front to the face frame using 2 screws. We can transfer our dimensions for the screw-on bracket to the back wall either manually or using a template. Here's a quick and easy way to make a template. Once we've transferred the location of our face frame to the template, we mark the location of these 2 holes. The dimension for these holes can be found in the brochure. Now we can pre-drill our holes in the template. Here you can see the real benefits of using a template, and you can see how easily you can transfer the dimensions to the back wall. You can do these steps with the cabinet on its back or in its normal standing position. Attach the screw-on brackets to the back wall using number 6 by 5/8 flathead wood screws. Just be careful not to strip them. Now that our screw-on brackets are installed, runner installation is fairly straightforward. We're going to use our universal drilling template to pre-drill the holes in the face frame for our Tandem plus BLUMOTION runner. For Tandem plus BLUMOTION runners, the dimension from the face of the cabinet is 10 millimeters or 13/32. From the cross rail up to the bottom hole location is 25 millimeters or 31/32, and to the top hole location is 37 millimeters or 1 inch and 15/32. These dimensions automatically set the runner at a 3 millimeter setback, which is what's recommended for overlay applications. Let's use a tape measure to mark our heights for each hole location. To get our dimension in depth, we'll use our Universal Individual Drilling Template. We have to start by setting it to 10 millimeters. And then we'll line it up with the marks we just made. Now we're ready to install our runner into the cabinet. We're going to start by sliding the Tandem plus BLUMOTION runner into the screw-on bracket, and then we'll run our screws into the face frame. Now that our runners are installed, we can simply insert our drawer into the cabinet. The audible click lets you know that the runners have engaged with the locking devices and that everything is attached properly. If you have any further questions about Tandem plus BLUMOTION or any of our other products, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any videos you would like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.